Hello guys, in this video I will show you a step-by-step guide on how you can download and install TikTok on your laptop or your PC. You may have been using TikTok on your phone and you wish to access it in your laptop or your PC. This video is the best video for you on how to do that. To get started, you simply open your browser and on the address bar you go ahead and type TikTok and press your enter. This will bring out this search result for you. The first search result is the official website of TikTok. You can just do well to click on it. The moment you click on it, you will discover that the TikTok page is open in your PC. Now I will show you how you can actually install it in your PC. On the address bar, you will see install TikTok. But if you did not see it in your own browser, you can just click on these three dots. Now scroll over to where we have cast, save and share. Now you can just click on that and then you see install TikTok. The moment you click on it, you see it will bring out an option for you to install TikTok. Now with this, you've already installed TikTok on your PC. You can see it right now on my desktop that it is being installed. Now alternatively, I will show you how you can actually still do that. You can just still go back to your browser and there you can type Microsoft Store and you can see the official website of Microsoft Store. You can just click on it. If you have Microsoft Store installed in your PC, you can just do well to open it from there. Now you can do well to come over to this search area of this Microsoft Store and type TikTok. Press your enter. This will bring out the search result for you. TikTok is free to use and you can see from the search result that we have it here already. You can just do well to click download and this will be downloaded here for you. You can see the download is already initiated. You can see it is downloaded right now. I just need to click on it and start the installation. You can see it's retrieving all the necessary information that we need from the Microsoft Store. I just need to click on install and the installation will be done quick and easy. If you've not subscribed up to this stage, please do well to subscribe to my channel for more tips on this particular channel. You may do well to drop any topic you want me to talk about on the comment section and I will do well to return to you with that particular video. Now let's hold on while this installation is being done. Just make sure that your network is very strong while this is being done for you. Now let's hold on. Now the installation is done right now in my PC. You can go over to the search area and type TikTok. You can see the app on this very area. So this is just the simple way you can download and install TikTok app in your PC. Thank you for watching this video. Please do well to watch other videos in this particular channel. Thank you. Bye bye.